Hey everybody, it's Anthony from SlidRoll, and today we're at the Allen skate park and we're going to be giving away some free skate wax, courtesy of my friend.
What up? I'm Eric from Edubs.
Yeah, so Eric, I have one question for you.
Yes.
If somebody wants to purchase your skate wax, how do they do that?
Well, the best way is to go on the redfskateboards.com, or you can follow us on Instagram, just message me, come out to one of our events.
Perfect, there we go, you heard it. And it's handmade, right?
Yes.
Handmade.
Everything is handmade by me. Everything is made with 100% pure beeswax. Stuff's super slick.
Nice. And today we're giving it away. So
yes,
we're gonna give it away, but we're not just gonna give it away. We're also gonna do some dad jokes at the skate park. So yeah, dad jokes at the skate park.
I am the dad joke supplier.
Yes. So let's get into it, guys.
Yeah.
Highest ollie for some wax. Good man.
That's pretty good.
There you go.
What up, C-Dubs? This is with John. Well, John, I got a question for you.
What's up?
So, why can't you go into the future at a campsite?
What?
Why can't you go into the future at a campsite?
I don't know why.
Because you'd be running past tents.
Hey, what's up, man? What's your name?
Rudy.
Rudy?
Rudy Florida.
Awesome, man. Nice to meet you. I have a question for you. What do you call a man who can't stand?
I have no idea.
Kneel.
I get it.
Hey, what's up, man? So what's your name?
Ethan.
Ethan?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I have a question for you.
All right.
What kind of magazine does a cow read?
Wheat magazine, maybe.
A catalog.
Catalog. All right. That was good.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Otta.
Otta?
Yeah.
All right. What do you call a cow sitting on the ground?
I don't know. What do you call it?
Ground beef. What's your name, dude?
Jose Vasquez.
Jose.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna ask you a question, all right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Do you want to hear a joke about a piece of paper?
Yes, I do.
Never mind, dude. It's terrible.
Come on, man. Let me hear, man.
It's terrible.
Ah.
So you just fell on the skateboard.
Yeah.
So I have a really important question for you.
Yeah.
First of all, what's your name?
I'm Jordan.
Jordan. Nice to meet you, Jordan.
Nice to meet you.
So what is the hardest part about falling off a skateboard?
The hardest part about falling off a skateboard is getting back up.
No, it's the ground. Hey, what's going on? So, what's your name?
Cody. My name's Cody.
Nice to meet you, Cody. I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between a well-dressed man on a bicycle and a poorly dressed man on a unicycle?
One wheel?
A tire.
A tire? Okay, that's close. That's close. All right, dude, what's your name?
Javier.
Hey, man, did you hear the joke about the burning circus?
No.
Man, it was intense. Intense. Circus. Fire. Intense.
Oh.
What's your name?
Angel.
Angel. What's your
I'm
name?
Laura.
Laura. Laura and Angel. Can I ask you guys a question?
Yeah.
Why don't you buy anything with Velcro?
Why?
Because it's terrible.
Oh, I get it. Because you can see it.
Hey man, what's up? What's your name?
What's up, Alan?
Alan?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Anthony. Question for you. Why does a tomato blush?
Why is it lunch? Because saw some hot
No, I saw the salad dressing.
salad dressing. Then you got
What's up, man? What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob? Anthony, nice to meet you. I have a
you.
question for you.
Sure.
So what do you get when you cross an elephant and a rhino?
What?
Elvino.
What's your name?
My name is Marc.
Hey, Mark. I got a question for you.
Shoot.
Why can't you give a T-Rex a high five?
Because his arms are too short?
Because they're all dead.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
What up, this is Edubs. We had our little best trick contest, and Aiden here won it with a big fat frontside 180 over the gap. Get a little prize pack. There's some wax, some stickers, keychain, all from Edubs and SlidRoll. Go like us on YouTube and on Instagram. Follow us on the Instagrams. Thanks, dude. That was a nice 180.
Thanks, man. I don't know how I landed that. I landed
That
Manny.
was awesome. That was rad.
All right, cool. So that was fun. Thanks, Eric, for coming out.
Absolutely,
Giving
we
away
had a
some
blast.
wax, having some fun. Had some fun games.
Yeah, I met some really cool kids.
Some really good jokes.
Yeah,
Quality
some
jokes.
amazing
So, yes, quality jokes. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Follow Edub on Instagram. Go buy some of his wax. I'll see y'all out there, all right? Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.